Hi, my name is Glenn Monroe and I own Brain Diesel. And today I've got a tip for my Office 2010 and 13 users. If you're a 7 user, pay attention, you'll want to know about this one. But in 10 and 13, we have the ribbons. Or 7, 10, and 13, we have these different ribbons going across the top, the home, the insert, and so on. Well, what if you wanted to make your own? It's very easy. All you do is you go up to your File menu and down to Options. And then you'll see on the left-hand side, Customize Ribbon. Now here's the popular commands, and I can see all the ribbons that are showing. Now you can't mess with any ribbon that already exists, but you can create your own. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new tab. And I've got this new tab created. Now if I'd like to rename that, I simply click on it and choose Rename, and I'll call it My Tab. And OK. Nothing shows up here at all until I hit OK and I'm done. Now on tabs we have groups. So we have the clipboard group and the font group and the alignment group. So you can group this way as well. I'm going to take this group, I'll rename it, and I'll call it Editing. And OK. If I want to have more groups, I'll just keep it in the New Group button and give them different names. So I'll rename these Curly, Larry, and Mo. It doesn't matter what you call them, you get to decide that. So I have my groups named. Now I need to put buttons in those groups. So in the editing group, I go over your popular commands, and I pick something I want to have, and I simply add them, and add them, and add them. And there's all kinds of options here. That's just the popular commands, though. There's also commands that aren't on the ribbon. Maybe in the curly group here, I want to put on some of these other features. So I can add those, and you can explore that on your own time. And then if I have specific tabs I want to take buttons from. So let's suppose I find myself going to the Review tab to get the new comments, and I go to the Insert tab to put in charts. Well, if I'm doing that a lot, I could choose to show the main tabs. And on the Insert tab, I'm going to Charts, and I'm always putting in a column chart, so I'll add that. Maybe I do a pie chart as well, so I'll throw those two on. Then I go to the Review tab down here, and on the Review tab under Comments, here's a new comment. I'm going to add that feature as well. So you can take any one from any specific tab, you just have to go find it. Once you have that done, we say OK, and now there is my tab, and there's my editing group, and my curly group, and my Larry. I didn't add anything to Mo. So you get to decide exactly what you want where. Now if you decide after the fact to remove anything, or move them around, we simply go to File, down to Options, and let's go to Customize the Ribbon. I find My Tab, which is after Home. Maybe I want that at the end. I simply click here, drag it down, and drop it. So this will now be after my Developer tab. I'm going to take the Mo one. Actually, I'll open up Editing. Let me move my editing features. The features that I have on editing, I'm going to move these ones down to Mo. And then on my curly group, I have camera is in the third spot. If I want camera in the first spot, I can drag that. So you simply can drag them around here wherever you want. You can drag them between groups, and then when you're done, you hit OK. And now editing is just that, and everything's exactly how I want it. When you're done, if you want to just hide it, File, Options, Customize. It's just a checkbox. So maybe this is something you set up a ribbon for your annual project of your budgeting. And when I don't want to see it, I just turn it off. The final thing I'll say is if I want to get rid of this altogether, I don't want to have this editing group, I simply click Remove and it's gone. If I want to get rid of the tab completely, I click the tab and hit Remove and it's gone. And that's that. So editing, moving things around, it's very easy for you to decide exactly what's on your button bars. You could rewrite them all if you'd like, although that's a little excessive. But set yourself up to win. Set it up the way you want it. I hope this video has helped you. Stay pumped, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.